Hi, this is the Ritz-Carlton just here behind me, and no, I'm not staying there. I'm just trying to get to the Helix Bridge because I'm going to the Art Science Museum to see TeamLab's Future Worlds. There is a TeamLabs in Singapore, which I did not know when I got here. I'm a big fan of TeamLabs after going to Planets and Borderless in Tokyo. So yeah, I've booked to go there today, but do you know what? Singapore, there's so much building work going on all the time. Even if you're using Apple Maps or Google Maps or something like that, it can't keep up. And so I'm just kind of like been zigzagging across all of these kinds of like roadworks. And plus, of course, Formula One is in town this weekend coming up. So yeah, everything is different to how it normally is. And so I'm just trying to find a way to get to the Art Science Museum. And look, there's Marina Bay Sands just up there. Can you see it? Yeah, it's there, somewhere there. I've got 10 minutes till my time slot. Ugh. All right, I think I'm finally on the right track. I somehow managed to get it set on 15 seconds recording duration. Anyway, here I am on the Helix Bridge. I do need to get there quite quickly. This has taken me over 45 minutes walk now to do this, when it should have taken me about 25. So the Art Science Museum is that kind of like opening blossom building just down there. That's where I'm heading now. So actually it looks like I'm going to be like bang on time, maybe like a minute or two late for my slot. Yeah, let's go. There's quite a view actually. It's a pretty impressive building. We'll check it out. Lots of people here trying to get their shots. Hi, I'm here for the Future Worlds exhibition. Thank you. Hi, I have a ticket for 10:30.
Okay, that one's just right behind the lift, turn right.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, welcome to Crystal Universe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.